Alright, so good morning. Actually, now it's kind of the afternoon. It's 12 or so. I am going to finish Christmas shopping today. Yeah. I want to just get it done because we have our first Christmas gathering on Friday. So I got to have my shopping done for that and gifts all assembled. So I want to just get it done today. So that's what the goal is, to finish up Christmas shopping today, because I know my mom has to start on me and I can't be there when she does that. So, yeah, that's what is on the plan today. For me to finish up Christmas shopping for everyone in my family. I did order something on Walmart.com for my dad. It's a complete series for a show he likes. That was $35. And I also, in order to get free shipping, I had to order something else. I ordered two little, they're called manicure sets. They were $2.50, and those will be nice little gifts as well. They have actually quite a bit of stuff in them for my mom and grandma. So I got them that. Today I'm going to go out and pretty much just finish for my practical grandma, my cousin, my one grandma who I want to get the thing at Sam's Club, and my mom. I'm going to get her one more gift because I feel guilty because I spent pretty close with her and my dad, and it's her birthday, so she deserves to have more spent on her, so I'm going to go get her something else. I'm going to need to finish. I want to get one more thing for my mom's uncle and my great uncle, I should rather say. And then my grandpa, I want to get one thing for him, and then that's about it. I can't think of too much else left to get. I'll have to look on my list, but yeah, and then I'll be able to start wrapping. I'll be all done with Christmas shopping for 2018. So yeah, crazy, but that is what is going on today. Alright, so pretty much finished up Christmas shopping today. It's done. Like, I don't have to do any more. So, yeah, I'm a little bummed because I enjoy Christmas shopping a lot. But I think I'm going to go ahead and call it, like, draw it to a close, right? Christmas shopping, I'm done. Shopped for everyone. Got everyone their gifts. And it's done. So that's it. Alright, first up, I did get a $20 Walmart gift card for my grandma. Practical grandma just threw in a $20 gift card for her. I know she'll love that for Walmart. Also, for my practical grandma, I'm amazed at this, that our Walmart still has this deal. These memory foam bath rugs are still just $4.50, and that was the Black Friday price. So just got her this black one. These are really nice. Her bathroom's like gray, so I just got that for her. Alright, I went ahead and grabbed her two of these Mainstays washcloths. They're just $1.12, so not bad. Keeping it cheap. I looked at JCPenney and I was just like, that's ridiculous. I got her two of these hand towels, same color, Mainstays brand. And I also got her two of these Mainstays bath towels. And she shops at Walmart, so she's going to like that stuff. She's not weird about Walmart brands. I know some people might not like that. Alright, and also at Walmart, I got the $20 gift card. I went ahead and got this for my mom. This was $8. And then I also threw in these just to go along with it. I know we were actually just talking about this, how this would have made our life a lot easier the other day with the egg thing. So, yeah, I went ahead and grabbed that. Okay, so I went over to the local music store, which if I gotta find the other one, hold up. Technical difficulties. Here we go. I know that someone in my family is really going to love these. Someone in my family is really going to love these guitar strings. It said they were cheaper on Amazon, but I don't feel like messing with Amazon right now. I actually just had a friend who told me that she ordered something from Amazon. It's probably not even going to come by Christmas, so I just don't even feel like messing with it. These were $9.82 a piece, just at the local music store here. $9.82, great, good, decent. And that's his Christmas. He'll use these guitar strings, so awesome deal. And then this is the one that I was really excited about. And this is a big item. This was at Sam's Club for my grandma. This coat. So yeah, it was a good deal. Alright, that was $42, but for a winter, for a nice one, I don't think that's too bad. I paid around that for mine. I know I'm a lot better at grocery couponing than I am stuff like this, but I think I'm done with Christmas gifts. Woo! Yeah, I'm just going to order some pajama pants on Walmart.com and do pickup at the store. because I want to get that for my mom's, or my great uncle, and then my grandpa. I want to get them pajama pants on, $8 on there, so I'm going to order those, have that sent for store pickup. I just got to wrap the rest of this stuff, and then I'm done. Oh, I got to get pictures made off to put in the gift I showed you all yesterday. So, yeah, that's all. I'll catch up with y'all later. I need to balance my checkbook, because that's pretty, I know it's pretty lame, but that's what I need to do. Add up where I'm at Christmas shopping wise, what I've done, what I haven't put in my checking, or my checkbook, writing it all down. Or I don't do a physical checkbook. I have an app on my phone, which can be a blessing and a curse. Sometimes it's harder to see stuff that way, but it's also very convenient most of the time. So I can sit down and do that, balance my checkbook, and I'll come back and follow up with y'all at the end of the evening. Okay, so I know today was a very, very short vlog. I was just wrapping up Christmas shopping. And I'm catching up on some things I wrote in my planner. Not much, nothing interesting. Just looking into like reselling some school books and what else. Still haven't balanced my checkbook. I've got to order those pants for pickup at Walmart. I got to do my Bible reading, and I got to calculate rebate money and everything, how much I've spent, and what rebates I should get back. Because what happened was I went to Walmart and grabbed a few things for my mom, so we got to figure out how to, pay each other back for that, like what rebate money is mine, and because we share a rebate account and everything, so sometimes I buy things and she has to transfer back the rebates, if that makes any sense, to make sure I'm getting the rebates back for the stuff I bought. So if that makes sense, I got to just sit down and do that. And I got to just upload Vlogmas. So that was it. Today was very, very boring, but I did get the Christmas shopping done, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I'm just going to keep vlogging. I know today was pretty blah, and tomorrow is Kroger Day, but honestly, I'm really not, I don't know. I mean, I just can't think of anything to even talk about at Kroger. I'm going to have to look really hard in the morning. I will try. So, yeah, that is all I have for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, though, and thank you so much for watching.